as there are many features within AutoCAD. What Autodesk have done to keep this organized is to create a series of tabs at the top. So we have our Home tab Insert, Annotate, and so on. And within each of those tabs, we have what is called a ribbon. So this is our Home tab ribbon. And within the ribbon are what are called panels. So we have our Draw panel, our Modify panel, Annotation panel. And so on, the way that they have been organized just allows us to access the most important tools as quickly as possible, without having to go through each of the tabs to try and figure it out. Everything has been organized very well, so we can access the correct tool as quickly as possible. Again, we will cover the vast majority of all of these tabs, ribbons and panels throughout the course.